Okay.
All right, so behind me you can see all of this amazing molding, super detailed molding, very much an intentional molding. So if you start from the ceiling, you can see, I don't know, maybe 6, 8 pieces of wood that work its way down to a paneled system. And you can see we're still using wood, poplar wood here, and then a molding, but this is different. This is called MDF, and on this particular wall, we wanted 2 large panels. Well, typically in MDF, it's a 4x8 sheet, but we were able to order larger sheets so that we didn't have a seam down the middle of the MDF. So you can just see, right now they're prepping all of the woodwork, and you can see when we use wood, we're filling all of these imperfections and nail holes. But look, work your way over to the MDF. Almost no touch up here. So you can see the difference in prep work that it takes with wood versus MDF, and MDF really has a beautiful, smooth finish, and that's the reason we want to use MDF on this paneling.